Shopify payment setup, how to add payment gateway. All right, so I am now here in my store. So this is my store admin access now. So here, as you can see, I don't have any product because this is a new store that I created just today. So here I will just go ahead and add a product. So by the way, guys, you have different option to add a product. If you have your own products or physical products, then you can manually add your product here. So just go to product tab, and then here you can manually add your product. So you can upload your own image here. You can put the title, the description, the pricing, and the inventory available, your location, and everything. But if you like to make use of other platform like AliExpress supplier, maybe, for example, then all you need to do is to go here apps, and then here just look for the third party app here that you can integrate inside your Shopify store. So for example, we have here the DSers AliExpress dropshipping and CJ dropshipping. These are the two recommended dropshipping that you can make use of if you get your product from AliExpress, because they are connected with AliExpress, and you can easily import your product from AliExpress to your Shopify using these two platforms. So I will just go ahead and add some product from this, maybe using Deezers or CJ dropshipping, and I will be back to you guys once the products has been added here in Shopify for us to add our own payment method. So here I just added the CJ dropshipping, and I will go ahead and install this app for this one to be integrated inside my Shopify account. So let's just wait for a moment. So I am now here inside my CJ dropshipping. I already logged in. And the next thing that you need to do here is to first, of course, connect your Shopify store. So just go to authorization and go to Shopify and start connecting your Shopify to your CJ dropshipping platform as well. So once you're done with that, then as you can see here, they have different categories for the product, and all these products here are also from AliExpress. So what I love about this platform is that all the products here is that you can easily connect it to your Shopify store in just a few clicks. So there's no need for you to manually enter the product name, the description, manually input the variation of the product, because everything here you just need to do a few clicks, and everything about the product from here can be transferred directly to your Shopify store automatically. So for example, here from all categories, you have different categories here to choose from. I will go ahead and choose the women's clothing. And as you can see here, they also have a subcategories here for the women's clothing. And over here, I can see the women's clothing items. So here you have two options to connect. So to connect, if this product already exists in your store, so you just need to establish a product connection. But if this product is not yet in your Shopify store and this is new and you want this one to be added in your Shopify store, then you can just simply click this list. So once you click this list, then you will be routed to this page where you can manually set up everything here if what you want to be added. And when you go to your Shopify store, you can also see it here under your products that this product also been added here in your Shopify store. So once you added all your product here, then the next thing that we can do is to set up your payment method. So to set up your payment method, just go down here. At the bottom of your left side corner, you can see your settings. So just click here, and then here you have your payments. So just go to payment. So here under your payments, you have your payment providers, your supported payment method, and also you have your manual payment methods here if you like to add manual payment. So first, for supported payment method, this is the payment methods that are available with one of Shopify approved payment providers. So the most common one or the most popular one is PayPal. So you can make use of PayPal as your payment method inside your Shopify store. So all you need to do is to complete your PayPal account setup to start receiving payout from your PayPal. So just click here and complete your account setup. You just need to log into your PayPal account to start receiving payment through PayPal. And down here, you can also do manual payment methods. So payments that are made outside your online store. When a customer select a manual payment method such as cash on delivery, you'll need to approve their order before it can be fulfilled. So you can also add a cash on delivery payment method if you like to. But if you click add manual payment method, you also have different option here where you can create your custom payment method on your own: bank deposit, money order, cash on delivery. So going up here, you also have your payment provider. So you can choose a payment provider here. So just click choose a provider and you will see the list of the third-party payment providers here that you can make use of in your Shopify store. So for example, they have the 2 checkout provider, the MallPlay, Adyen, AirPay, Authorize.net, and many, many more. And there's no need for you to worry, guys, to set up this payment because, for example, we will be selecting this provider, the 2 checkout, and here you will see they will provide you the information about this provider. And down here, you can also see the instruction on how you can set up this one. So you just need to create a 2 checkout account, then log in and activate your 2 checkout account and others. So you have here the step-by-step instruction to follow and how you can add this provider to be your payment provider to process the payment. And also going down here, you can see what are the payment method that these providers support. So these providers support Visa, MasterCard, American Express, JCB, Discover, Diners Club. So these are the payment method that this provider can support if you choose this provider. So it will depends on you guys. You have a long list here of provider that you can choose from. So you can also choose a payment method that are available with one of Shopify approved payment provider. So if you want to get a Shopify approved payment providers, then you just need to go here and then click this add payment methods. And here you just need to search if what kind of payment method you want to allow in your Shopify store. For example, you will allow a Visa, and then you will also allow the MasterCard, the Express card. Going down here, you can see 17 providers offer this payment method. So these are the trusted payment provider of Shopify. So you can trust this provider. So you just need to click activate for you to start partnering with this payment providers. And also, if you like other online payment, then you can also search it here. For example, let's search for PayMaya. So you will see here PayMaya, and when you click PayMaya, you will also see 3 providers here that offers this kind of payment method, the PayMaya. And by the way, you can also accept payment using Bitcoin. So when you search for Bitcoin, they also have this one for cryptocurrency. And you will see that they have 4 providers here that offer this payment method, which is the BitPay, the Coinbase Commerce, FasterPay, and Payment Wall. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below, and thank you so much for your time watching this video.